Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where x plus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 48. Now x plus y is equal to 8, it is called equation number 1, and xy is equal to 48, it is called equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 we will have x plus y is equal to 8, or now taking this x to right side we will get y is equal to 8 minus x. So y is equal to 8 minus x, and it is called equation number 3. Now from equation number 2 we will have x y is equal to 48, or here y is equal to 8 minus x. Y is equal to 8 minus x from equation number 3. So we can write here x times y, that means 8 minus x is equal to 48 from equation number 3, or x times 8, that means 8x minus x times x is x square is equal to 48, or 8x minus x square, taking this 48 to left side we will get negative 48 is equal to 0, or rearranging it we will get minus x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0, or now multiplying both sides by negative 1 we will get x square minus 8x plus 48 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 8, and c is equal to 48. So x is equal to b, that means negative 8 plus or minus square root of negative 8 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 48 over twice a, that means 1, or x is equal to minus times minus 8, positive 8 plus or minus square root of negative 8 square is 64 minus 4 times 1 times 48, that means 192 over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of negative 64 minus 192 is negative 128 over 2, or x is equal to 8 plus or minus, here we can write square root of 64 times 2 times negative 1 over 2, or x is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 64, that means 8, square root of negative 1 is I, here I is an imaginary value, and square root of 2 over 2, or x is equal to, taking common 2 we will write here 4 plus or minus 4i square root of 2 over 2, this 2 cancel out this 2. So finally the value of x is equal to 4 plus or minus 4i square root of 2. Now attention, here there are two values of x because here plus or minus, So we can write here x1 is equal to, when we will got plus x1 is equal to 4 plus 4I square root of 2, and when we will got negative, so x2 is equal to 4 minus 4 square root I square root of 2. Now from equation number 3 we can write here equation number 3, that means y is equal to 8 minus x. So we can write here, when x1, we can write here y1 is equal to 8 minus x, and y2, when x2, so y2 is equal to 8 minus x is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4I square root of 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 4I square root of 2 is equal to 4 minus 4I square root of 2. So when x1 is equal to 4 plus 4I square root of 2, then the value of y1 is equal to 4 minus 4I square root of 2. And here we can write 8 minus 4 minus 4I square root of 2 is equal to 8 minus 4 plus 4I square root of 2 is equal to 4 plus 4I square root of 2. So when x2 is equal to 4 minus 4I square root of 2, the value of y2 is equal to 4 plus 4I square root of 2. So we will have two values of x and y. So we can write here x1 comma y1 is equal to 4 plus 4I square root of 2 comma 4 minus 4I square root of 2, and x2 comma y2 is equal to 4 minus 4I square root of 2, 4 minus 4I square root of 2 comma 4 plus 4I square root of 2. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.